Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue coding in Python the solution to our inequality problems. Let's review our previous solution first. We created a solution PY program that can handle variants of our initial problem. We called solution PY with a parameter that is analysis.json that contains the information about our problem, so file variables and formula, in a format that Python can read. And we call solution py with different JSON file, and we solve different JSON problems. Today I will show you how to modify solution py to be able to handle even more complex variation of the initial problem. Our problem is a more than problem, so we have the building was more than 254 feet tall. So let's try it as a less than problem. So let's replace more than with less than. And this problem, I will save it as problem 003.txt. Okay, now the analysis will have problem 003.txt. Variables will be the same. Formula will be slightly different, and I will save this one as analysis 003.json. Okay, now let's look back at our initial analysis. So this was the analysis for first problem. This variant will have this formula, then everything will be the same, but the sign will be different. So we technically, to solve this problem, we have to determine which sign we have and to print these two lines with the correct sign. I will save this file as analysis 003.txt. Okay, and now let's try to figure out the sign. So first we will extract the formula from the analysis object. So it that's index 2. So this is index 0, this is index 1, and this is index 2. So we have formula. It's equal analysis at index 2. Now we will use an if command in Python to determine if a certain sign is in our formula. So let's first try see if larger than it's in our formula. So if larger than in formula colon, and this command will be executed. So I will say f sign formula sign it's equal larger than. Okay, now if less than it's in formula, then the f sign it's equal less than. So it can be one or the other. That's what we are accepting as a variation of the problem. So now here we will split this string in two and we will insert f sign in the middle. So split in two and f sign is here. So it will print x space, then the sign, whichever the sign it is, and the rest. And we will do the same thing here. We'll split it in two and insert f sign, and we will save it. Now we have three problems, one program, and let's see if it works. So I will first try to solve the last problem, solution py, analysis 003. Okay, so we have less than printed out, the variable are the same, x is smaller than 9 feet. Very good. Okay, and we have to make sure that our first two problems are being solved correctly as well. So let's try the first one. X is larger than 9 feet. It's a more than problem. number of remaining floor 26, then the 002 variant, also correct, 18 feet. I will run again the last problem, and everything seems to be fine. So now we learned how to solve more complex variation of our initial problem. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded.